you will have a strong parent-child bond. There will be respect, there will be love, there will be a connection between you and your child. How do you listen to your child? You listen with an empathetic heart. You listen to really understand what the child needs, what the child is feeling. So we have devised this series for all of you out there, a parent talking to all the parents out there. I get you, I'm with you, I understand you. The goal really is to know what is the right way, what is the effective way. Parenting done right. My most favorite parenting behavior, the assertive style, the positive style, the effective style. What does it entail to be an assertive parent? Believe me, it's not easy. It's hard work every single day. But as parents, we need to aspire for the way that is best for us and our children. So, what does assertive parenting really mean? Number one, communication is clear, it's direct. Your expectations, your rules, your house regulations are laid out. Children are aware of what they don't have to do and what they have to do. Yes, consequences are set. However, you're also flexible. So you're firm and you are flexible. How do you talk to your child? You talk to your child warmly, calmly, positively. How do you listen to your child? You listen with an empathetic heart. You listen to really understand what the child needs, what the child is feeling without being judgmental, preachy, blaming, complaining. Again, no judgment on parents. We're all guilty of this. We do it. However, to be assertive, you need to be aware that parenting is really about the respect so that your children model the same behavior. It's about mutual learning, mutual respect, and mutual growth. So, why is this the most positive of all the parental behaviors? Because it has a positive impact on you and the child. And I'll tell you how. First, because communication is respectful, you will have a strong parent child bond. There will be respect, there will be love, there will be a connection between you and your child. You will be that safe haven for your child because they know they can trust you, they can lean on you, they can rely on you for guidance because the communication is open, it's direct, it's loving, it's caring, it's coming from a place of empathy. Most importantly, you will build your child's self worth, your child's self respect, because it will be dependent on your communication with the child. This is very important. And your children will learn good relationship skills because, after all, you are their model. Children learn through their parents. Thank you so much, parents, for watching our videos. Please like them, comment, and stay tuned. We have lots more coming on our fifth video, which will actually demonstrate to you the four parental behaviors which you can relate to. Stay tuned.